In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Volume Footprint Chart in TradingView. Volume Footprint Charts let you see buy and sell activity at each price level. So instead of relying only on candles, you can read how trades actually occurred within the bar. This feature is available on premium or higher plans in TradingView. If you don't see the option, your plan likely doesn't include it. Start by opening a chart for the market you want to analyze. With the chart visible, activate the footprint view. Click the candle icon in the top toolbar, the same place you normally select bars or candles, and choose Volume Footprint. Your standard candles will switch to footprint bars that embed volume data inside each price level. These footprints are built from bid and ask transactions, letting you see where aggressive buyers lifted offers and where sellers hit bids. Next, tailor the view to your needs. Right-click anywhere on the chart and select Settings. In the Type section, pick the perspective that best fits your decision-making. Choose Buy and Sell to get a split view of selling versus buying at every price, which makes it straightforward to spot imbalances and potential absorption. Select Delta to show the net difference between buying and selling. Stronger positive or negative values quickly highlight which side dominated that bar. Or choose Total to focus on overall volume at each level. Ideal when you want to identify the most active prices without the directional breakdown. Adjust row size to control how finely the price ladder is sliced. Auto uses the average true range to adapt dynamically, expanding when volatility increases and compressing during quieter periods, which keeps the footprint readable across changing conditions. If you prefer a fixed structure, switch to ticks and set a constant price interval, so every bar uses the same step size. Smaller tick sizes reveal more detail for precision work. Larger sizes smooth noise for a cleaner, high-level view. Finally, choose your display. Cluster shows a numeric grid inside each bar, letting you read exact values at each price level for precise analysis. Profile condenses that data into a visual shape alongside the bar, emphasizing where the bulk of trading occurred so you can scan quickly and spot key levels at a glance. As you adjust these settings, watch how the footprint exposes where buyers and sellers truly engaged, not just where price traveled. That added context can help you validate breakouts, recognize absorption, and focus your risk management around the areas that actually mattered. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.